Good afternoon, sixth grade. I just wanted to take a minute to kind of cover a resource that you can look for completing your lesson 1 through 4 review. And that's going to have everything we've done pretty much the past 6 weeks of school. Okay. So, what you'll want to do first is go to your classroom. As you can see, I have 3 different math classes because I'm teaching 3 different groups. So you're going to go to your group. All right, and I'm just going to pick one. All right, and you're going to want to go to classwork. And then under classwork, you'll see Student Math Notebook Chapter 1. Okay, this is the same notebook we've been using and that I've been updating. So what we'll do is we'll click on that, and then you're going to go to the Google slide of the student notebook. Okay. Sometimes it'll take a little bit longer to load on your Chromebook, which is fine. Just give it a minute to load. And then it starts with the very first thing we did, and the newest thing is going to be farther into the notebook, and it'll be the last few slides. And they're always titled. So as you can see, here's the start of your lesson 1 through 4 review. So what I did was I cut different sections of it out and glued it into the notebook. All right, and then each question has an example of how to solve it. All right, so as you can see, it starts with 1, 2, 3, and 4. Same exact worksheet you have. I just cut it and put it in my notebook. And then it has your solutions of how to solve these. All right, so what we're looking for with this assignment, when you actually submit it, and I'll go back to that assignment here. As you can see here, it says, please complete the practice if you haven't yet. All right, we're going to start our unit review because we are halfway through the chapter, so we want to backtrack and make sure that everybody's getting this, okay? And it says here, the Google Doc below is just to read the questions. You can do the work in your notebook or on a sheet of notebook paper. Once you complete it, please email me a picture of your work and the answers. Okay, a lot of people have asked for requests to access this. Again, this is just something you're going to read off of, and then you're going to actually do the work and put that into your notebook. Okay, I'm going to extend it past Friday since a lot of people were still confused on how to actually turn this in. But again, you must show your work. Okay, we can't do just answers because the main part of this is we want to see stuff like this. Okay, we want to see you actually doing the work and showing how you got that answer. Okay, and again, these are the examples. So if you just copy this and put it in your notebook, you'll be able to use this as a resource and it'll count as turning in your assignment. Okay, again, if you have any questions, the assignment is still under Chapter 1 assignments, and it's the newest assignment on there. And it's dated Thursday and Friday, September 24th and 25th. All right, please get this to me as soon as you can because we will be taking a test over this coming week. All right, if you have any questions, again, please email or message me. And then also I want to kind of go over taking a picture and sending it. If you do decide to do that, you can open your email and actually send a picture of that. So 1 second here, and I'm going to open my email. Okay, so I've got my email box open. Yours might look a little different than mine, but sending a message is still the same, and it still works the same. So what you'll want to do is you're going to click on Compose, and this box right here is going to pop up right here. Okay. Now there's a few things you can do. All right, if you did the work on your computer and you saved it to your computer, you're going to click on this paper clip right here, and it says attach files. So you actually click on the paper clip, and it'll open up a file, and you can pick where yours are usually saved at. Yours are probably saved in downloads. So if you go to desktop, and then if you go to this PC, you can hit that, and usually downloads or pictures is where your picture will save. Okay, so kind of spend some time in looking for that. You can even do a test run and take a picture and try sending it to yourself or sending it to me if you want to. Okay, so once you actually do that, I'm going to go back here. And I'm going to pretend I'm sending a picture. So you're going to hit here for the recipient. You might put, you can send it to me. All right, Mr. Blancaflor. So you click my name. And under subject, you could put picture from lesson 1 through 4. Okay. You can title it whatever you want. Just make sure you put in there somewhere what the name of the picture is you're sending me. Okay. Then you can just click down here and then hit the paperclip. And then if you were sending that, you would just click on that and you would hit open. And you can see that the file will be put here in the email and you can just send it. Okay. Now, if you're doing it from your Google Drive, what you'll do is click on the Google Drive icon and it works the same exact way. Okay. It'll open this up and let's say you want to send a picture. So you'll click on that picture and it'll be highlighted and you'll put insert. Okay. And that'll insert it into the email also and you can just send it to me. Again, if you have any questions, please email or message me.